Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Biokript token. Ticker symbol is Bkpt. Now this token just had a huge pre-sale on pinksale.finance. They did very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it now that the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Biokript token. So it says the crypto revolution has begun. Biokript is the world's first hybrid Sharia-compliant cryptocurrency platform incorporated in the USA with a world-class team of 16 experienced coders, marketers, and executives. One-of-a-kind token burns. Several central exchange listings are planned. Tokens are locked. Big reveal. It says Biokript has officially secured partnerships with Microsoft. That's big. 1,000 times GEM. Join the revolution and be our partners in the most profitable business in the crypto industry. So that's what it says on PinkSale anyways. And they also have tons of socials that you could find on PinkSale. They have a Reddit, Instagram, GitHub, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram. As always, I put their Twitter up here so you guys can easily find this token. It is at Biokript on Twitter, real easy to find. Also at Biokript on Telegram if you want to join their Telegram. Facebook, same thing, at Biokript. Instagram, same thing. And Reddit is the only different one, _Biokript on Reddit. Their official webpage, biokript.com. If you go over there, you can find the roadmap. You can find a full white paper. They also have a full audit. So they were audited by InterFi Network, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons. And they have a docs badge on PinkSale as well. You can click on the docs badge. It'll take you over to a YouTube video where their team is doxed in a video. So they had a public pre-sale on pinksale.finance. This is a Binance Smart Chain token where they set the soft cap at 50 BNB for the pre-sale. And they had 573 different investors contribute to this pre-sale, and they sold 378.41 BNB worth of tokens for a very successful pre-sale. 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply, 500 million tokens. Tokens for pre-sale, 50 million. Tokens for liquidity, 28,500,000. So now that the pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token, you can get this token now off of PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Bkpt token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, biokript.com. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 1 full year. According to their token metrics pie chart here, 10% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 5.7% go to liquidity, 30% of the tokens go to treasury lock, 19.3% go to investor lock, 15% team, 15% liquidity lock, 5% advisor lock, and 10% pre-sale. And besides that, if you go over to their webpage, like I said, you can find a full white paper that's going to have all the information you need on there. Vesting schedule, token burn schedule, distribution, architecture, technology, trading engine, all sorts of things on here. So Biokript is the next generation cryptocurrency exchange. And our primary objective is to make profitable, efficient, and Sharia-compliant hybrid cryptocurrency exchange in the most decentralized manner. With our Biokript token, we'll offer exchange profits based on Mudaraba principles to all prospective token holders, as well as significant fee discounts on all trades. So the whole crypto revolution started with the desire for decentralization. However, there's still centralized exchanges. If you scroll down here, we can find out, we don't need to go over the whole history of crypto on here, but basically we need to scroll down to where they start talking about themselves. A lot of white papers do this all the time. They give you way too much information. We don't need the whole. Basically, they're trying to make it decentralized is what they're saying. So let's go to their solutions here. It says, our Sharia-compliant business model will tackle all the above stated problems that I didn't go over because they're too lengthy. Biokript token will eliminate manipulating trading volume, since Biokript holders will receive trading revenues, and it will not be suitable to wash trading by basically giving free money to token holders. Moreover, since all of Biokript transactions are done on the blockchain, everything is open for audit and review. We will also employ top-notch security for our exchange, where all the files will be encrypted with the latest encryption technology. Our exchange will be non-custodial, which means users will have complete control over their funds, and the incidents such as above stated with Quadriga. I actually did watch a documentary on Quadriga on Netflix, I believe, and it was a Canadian exchange. That's where I'm from, Canada, and basically there was all these conspiracies, like this dude fled to another country, and people don't know if he's still alive, and he had a back door where he took people's money and all sorts of things, right? You can watch it on Netflix about Quadriga. Check that out. It was a really good documentary. And Thodex. Now, Thodex, I believe, is a Turkish exchange, and they are, I think, still in the midst of getting sued by token holders. I'm not sure, but check out the history on Quadriga and Thodex. So they're saying basically they have more security and things like that cannot happen. And, that's what happens when you have more of centralized exchanges compared to decentralized exchanges. Now, obviously, review this project as well before just going, oh, I trust these people. Never just trust anybody blindly, right? Because anything can happen. Now, they have a vesting schedule. It does not say anything about taxes, so I'm not sure if you'll have to set slippage or anything, but if anybody has any experience buying or selling this token from PancakeSwap, let me know down there what the slippage was when you tried to exchange this token. So yeah, they have distribution on here. Basically, yeah, they're gonna have their own crypto exchange. That seems to be about it. They have a trading engine on here they talk about, and that seems to be the main utility for this token, is they're gonna have their own exchange. And you can read about it in more depth on their white paper, which is you can easily find at whitepaper.biokript.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.